Okay, so as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and remove the Gentex Commander 3 horn strobe. And I'm going to go ahead and replace it with an EST Genesis speaker strobe. Of course, we'll be connecting the strobe today because like normally I do not know where the earbuds are for the speaker. You know, I actually do know where the positive and negative was. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the Gentex Commander 3 horn strobe. And I'm going to hang this up. We're going to go ahead and hang it up to the board, which is here. Let's do it. Alright, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take off the plate. But before we get to that, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the Gentex Commander 3 alarm. Just remove that. And then I'll just go ahead and pop this off. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get the flathead screwdriver. Or I can say this little circle screwdriver. And which I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and remove the screws. Remove one screw. Oh, yep, the wire just fell out of it. Alright, now I'll put the screw, which is here. Okay. Alright, so as you can see, I already actually mount the speaker strobe to the back box. So what I did first is I just removed the Gentex Commander 3. Of course, I have to pause the video for a long time because, like, normally, this thing just fell off a bit. But now, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go ahead and also this. You know what I did? I put the screw in it because, like, normally it holds the alarm onto it. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and snap this in all the way. Boom. Okay, as you can see now, the speaker strobe is all installed. But instead of wiring up the speaker, I only have the strobe, which is actually wired up right now. So what I'm going to do is I might go ahead and connect the batteries, which are right over here, and then see how it's supposed to work in this action. Let's do it. Alright guys, now it's my chance to pull the fire alarm. And as you can see, you're going to see the strobe flashing this time. But the speaker is not even connected because, like, normally the speaker has to be hooked up to an amplifier. Because, like, I don't know, like, where the earbuds are, or maybe you have to buy a radio for it. But I might go ahead and pull the fire alarm. Again, my keys real quick. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pull the fire alarm. You ready? If the strobe is flashing, like, a little slower, turn the lights off. See how the strobe is flashing? Yeah, there's like a little flash on the strobe. See, look. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and reset the pull station. Once again, no speaker connected because, like, normally I do not even have the earbuds for it, or maybe I lost earbuds, something like that. I'm gonna go ahead and reset the pull station. Alright, and then we close it. Alright, now it seems that it works. But if instead of pulling it, you can deactivate if you want. Deactivating looks like this. You stick the key in, you turn it, and open it. Alright, I'll give this one more pull. Alright, I'm gonna reset it. Find the B key. Alright. And that's how you wire up the speaker strobe. Okay guys, so thank you guys for watching this video. Please comment, subscribe, and you guys have a good night. Alright? Have a good night.